So we're going to take off that first, and then we're gonna put the slime inside. Whoop! And then you close the door, and then you press the on button. And look! The slime is spinning! Coloring, we have pink, blue, and yellow. Pink is in the middle, so I'm gonna put it in the This is pink. You're just gonna open it. Whoa! Look at this! I love it! Coloring is, when I was playing with the pink. Jangan lupa ya, sebelum nonton, subscribe dulu dan aktifkan tanda lonceng. Oke. Halo teman-teman. Today, Pixel and Rex. Today we're going to be unboxing this new toy. It's called So Slime Tie-Dye Washing Machine. Yay! So how you play is that it's just like a slime. You will get 6 slime. There's 6 slime included, and you just basically can you can put it inside the washing machine, and the washing machine will roll. You can also put some colors on them. Yeah. Now, do you want to open it? We're gonna explain much more after we're gonna open it first.
Okay.
Wow. Oh wow. Wait, so we have a little trouble of opening it, but we finally get to open it. So let's get the washing machine first. Let's get it out. Whoa, look at this. And we also got this bag with probably some slime equipment. Let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, wait, kita coba lihat ini dulu deh. Let's see this. Look! Ta-da! Wow! So inside we have instruction book. Yeah, instruction book. Here it is. But I watched some videos about this, so I already know how to play it. Maybe. We also have some coloring, and the box says that it's actually scented, so it has a smell. Look at it. Do you know what color it is? This color. Red. And this is
Blue.
and this is
Yellow.
Yes. And we also have 6 slime. This is clear slime, so let's count. 1. What count at it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So there's 6 slimes, and it also includes some stickers that we can put maybe right over here, and then washing machine basket.
What's the name? Slime.
Oh yeah. And we also have this bag. I don't know what it is. Let's see what's inside. Ade, do you want to wear gloves? I don't want to wear gloves. Okay, you can have it. While Aderex is putting his gloves on, I'm going to put on the stickers. First of all, this is like maybe detergent bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Detergent bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya?
Detergent.
Yeah, this detergent. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong because I don't know much. But we have this sticker here. We can put it on the detergent.
Want to help?
Oh yeah, wait. Let me put the sticker and then I'll help you. And just how you put it on. Ta-da! Here, let me help you. And then we're going to open this coloring. We're gonna open this coloring. It's not food coloring though, so yeah, I'm not gonna call it food coloring. But we have 3 colors, and it says that it's scented, so I'm gonna try to smell it. Wow, it actually smells really good. Try to smell it. The yellow one and then the...
Oh no. It's like a pudding smell.
Pudding?
Yeah.
Pudding.
Pudding.
This one
pineapple.
Yeah. So there is 3 types of smell. First of all, there is vanilla, and then there's also strawberry.
Blueberry.
Oh no, not blueberry, but it is pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yeah. Do you wanna put it on?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how you put it on. You look at me first, and then you're gonna follow. Okay?
Okay.
So you put it on like this. Put it from the edge.
Okay.
And then you twirl, twirl, twirl like that. Okay. Now, which one do you want to put? Do you want the vanilla first or the pineapple first?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay.
Wait.
You want to take your gloves off first because it's kind of hard?
This one.
Oh no. This one or this one? This one is vanilla. This one is pineapple.
This one.
Pineapple. Okay. Here it is. You want to open your gloves first?
Oh.
Maybe let's not wear gloves because it's kind of hard. It's kind of difficult to work on with gloves. Okay, let me help you. Whee! And whee! Okay. Now take off the sticker.
Oh.
Yep. And then put it on this pineapple. No. Oops. You hold it on backwards.
Oh, okay.
Here. So, yep, like that. And then twirl. Twirl. And twirl. See? It's really easy.
Yeah.
I love stickers. You guys love stickers too?
Yes.
No, this one. The vanilla one.
The vanilla.
Yep. Here. You can peel it. It's so satisfying to peel stickers. I just don't know why. Okay. Edge and then twirl. 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 Okay, good job. Now we have this last sticker. I don't know where to put it, but oh no! I'm guessing it's right over here. Yeah. Let's try it out.
Slime.
Yep. Oh. Yep, right there. Put it perfectly. Now, show it to the viewers.
Here we go, friends.
Yay! Okay, so we just finished putting on these stickers.
Okay.
Yeah, showing the stickers. Ta-da. Yeah. Now we're going to go to the exciting part. We're going to open the clear slime. Yeah. So the slime is clear. So when I first see this, I thought it was just like a normal plastic bag, but there's actually clear slime in it. And how to open this? There's actually a cut right over here, so you don't need to use scissors. You just open it. Wait, where's the one that I just opened? Can you see it? Oh, it's okay. Okay. So we're just going to open from the cut here. Yes. Ta-da! Here, you can do that.
Help.
Oh, need help?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to open a bit. There you go. Oh, the slime is... The slime is okay. It's okay. Oh, it's super sticky.
Oh, it's super sticky.
Now there's a Ziploc bag. Okay, open the Ziploc like this. Look. Oh. Can you have tissue, please? Like with the box. Okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. You don't need to fully open. There you go. Now we open the Ziploc bag. We're going to throw it right over here. Ziploc.
Ziploc. Thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna put it right over here. I'm already done, but yeah, wait. Whoa! Look at this blob. Ew! Whoa! Wow, the texture of the slime is really unique. I never touched slime like this before. Okay, right
Hey,
there.
come on, slime.
Yeah, come on. You gonna help me out? It's really sticky though.
Oh, sticky.
Yeah. It's gonna take a while.
Whoa.
It looks like normal liquid, but when you touch it, yeah, it's not liquid. Yeah, wait, okay? We're not gonna mix the all of the slime together.
Oh,
Okay. Now we just get
Oh,
the extra.
so it's sticky.
Yeah, it's really sticky. Whoa, look at this. Ew. Wait, no, it's actually really. Yeah, it's okay. I'll help you out. Honestly, I'm pretty an expert with slime, but yeah, this one is really sticky. Let's drop it out. Oh yeah, here, let me help you out.
Oh, I know.
Oh, right there, okay. The texture of the slime is really different. I didn't expect the slime to be like this. It was really liquidy, but it's really unique. I love it. It's like water, but thin.
I need to
But
help.
no, thick, not thin.
I need help.
Yeah, here, let me help you out. Just press the slime like this. Press.
Oh.
Super sticky. Here, let me help you out.
Oh. I'm
I'm gonna use my hand, okay? Give me a. So, I'm gonna open this
Oh.
and use my hand. Wait. No, it's super sticky. I'm gonna help you with my hand.
Whoa. This. Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, I think that's enough. That's all. Now,
Drop it.
now we're gonna open 2 slime first,
Whoa.
and then
Whoa.
we're going to try to use the washing machine.
Washing machine.
Yeah. Now you might be curious. You might be curious how to use this, but it's pretty simple. You just need to use batteries. So I'm going to put the battery. First, you have the battery here.
Whoa. Whoa, it's so sticky. Whoa.
Okay.
It's so sticky.
I'm gonna use this, which is I never used this before.
Whoa.
Anyway, I need my father's help to open the battery. Oh yeah. So we need 3 batteries. We need to fill up 3 batteries inside there. And good thing we have it. I'm just gonna open first battery. Whoa. You also need like a kind of thick battery. So yeah. You wanna put battery?
1, 2.
Here. There you go. Now we're going to put it back on. Now, Ade, I'm going to show you how to use it first. After that, you can follow me, okay?
Okay.
So, how to use it first? There's a plastic here. It says that spin like a real washing machine. So we're going to take off that first.
Spin like a washing machine.
First, you need to open this.
Spin like a machine.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. We're gonna take that off first, and then we're gonna put on
it's
this.
sticky.
But before we put on, I'm going to test it if it's gonna spin. Okay, 3,
Whoa.
2, 1. Oh yeah. Look, it spins.
Whoa.
Okay. Wait. Aku dulu bisa ada ya, okay? Aku udah bisa, okay. Okay, sabar ya. Lihat dulu ya. Okay, so first, you're gonna open the door. I don't know what it's called. Just gonna call it a door. And then we're gonna put the slime inside. Whoop.
Whoa.
And then you close the door.
Go
Right
like
there.
a washing
And then you
machine.
press the on button. And look! The slime is spinning! Okay, Adira is curious so you can see.
Whoa.
Wow. Let's see. Let's hold it. It's really cool. Now, we'll let it spin a little bit, and then we're going to put it. We're gonna put the coloring. We have pink, blue, and yellow. I'm going to put the pink first. So yeah. So first, you need to open the lid, and then you're gonna put it on. 1. Pink is in the middle, so I'm gonna put it on. This is pink. about here. Let's see. It's not getting in. I didn't press it. Oh yeah, enough, stop. It's getting in. Wait, enough. So yeah, so when you put the color in there, you have to press it a little bit and it's gonna drop off inside. It's gonna let it spin.
This is sticky.
Oh, I think it's mixed well, so we're gonna turn it off. Look, you can press this button to turn it off. Show it to the people. Show it to the viewers.
Hello, friends.
So, now we're gonna open it. Opennya, kasih tahu ke teman-teman opennya. Gini, madepnya ke sini nih. So, you're just gonna open it and wow! Look at this! I love it. The color is so bright. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Wow, jiggly wobbly. Oh no, after we put it on. Okay, so on the floor and on the floor on the table.
Whoa.
You can't really like make noises with it, but it's just so satisfying to play. Now that I'm done, do you want to try it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Aderex is gonna try it out.
Whoa.
We're going to clean it up so that the other colors will mix in with the pink.
Whoa.
Oh, the pink is a lot.
Whoa.
I think I might
Whoa.
put too much pink in there. Oh no, not me. I don't know. What color do you maybe want?
Pineapple.
Oh, pineapple. You mean blue?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Wait.
Oh. It's gonna take a while, but it's okay. Look at this pink color. Wow. Now, gini nih, jangan sambil kasih tahu dikit ya, segini. Coba ya. We're gonna put it.
Friends, look at.
Oh yeah. Sorry. So now that my slime is done, I'm gonna put it right over here in the basket.
And whoa. Hey. Hey.
Let me help you.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So you want to put yours in the washing machine now?
Yeah.
Okay. But friends, remember that this is just a toy. Don't put your actual slime in a real washing machine. That will ruin your actual washing machine. You need to play it as a toy. Okay.
Okay.
First, you open up the door and then... Okay, just tell them what to get.
Oh.
What's wrong?
Hey.
What's wrong? Oh, it's super sticky?
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you.
Whoa.
Okay, take it out.
Oh,
Sticky. Okay.
wow, sticky.
Let me help you a bit. There you go. Now it's in. You need to close it. Yep, like that. Now you roll it. Press the on button. Press the on button.
Wow.
It's so you can see it. Right now, we'll let it for a little bit and then we're gonna put it. Oh, what a pink. Oh no! It's okay. Now we're gonna put the blue color a little bit. A lot. Okay, you put a lot right here. Yang banyak ya soalnya pinknya masih ada sisanya di situ teman-teman. Okay, enough. Done. Okay. Since there's a little bit of pink in there, I wonder if it's gonna turn purple, but I hope not. Okay, enough. I think that's enough. now it's done. Tell it to be finished.
Almost done.
Turn it off and then open it. Whoa, that's a lot of food coloring. Oh, it's not food color. It's just coloring. Okay. Whoa, it's so dark. I think you put too much. Wow.
Whoa.
You can play with your slime while Rex is playing with his slime. I'm going to
Whoa.
clean up the inside because it's so much really dark. You wanna?
Hey.
Here you go.
Oh. Whoa.
Whoa! I did actually put too much glue in there. Wow. You mix it well. Mix, 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 so that the blue color will mix in there.
Mix, mix, mix.
Also, our table is turning into the color blue. Look at this.
Whoa.
Whoa. It's okay. It's probably removable.
Whoa. Whoa, super sticky.
Whoa, love.
Whoa.
This is like love.
Whoa. Whoa.
Mix it, 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 mix it. It's kind of hard to mix the color, and I don't know why, because if you look closely, the color is still not mixing well. But it's okay. Okay, so this is the finishing look.
Whoa.
This is my slime. It's supposed to be pink, but after that, I was playing with Rex slime. It was really blue, and the blue didn't really suck in the slime. So when I played, it was kind of like my hands were also blue from the dye right there. So then when I was playing with the pink coloring, when I was playing with the pink slime, the blue is also kind of going in there. So it's kind of like maroonish color, kind of like purplish, but it's okay. It's still really cool. It's maroon. But now that we tried to make slime that is from two of these colors, what do you think about mixing these colors? Like, do you know, ada tahu nggak kalau merah dicampur biru itu jadi apa?
Purple.
Purple. Kalau biru dicampur kuning, blue dicampur kuning,
Orange. Orange.
Blue
Blue.
and yellow.
Blue and orange.
Blue and yellow jadi apa? Nih, blue and yellow. Jadi
Blue and yellow.
jadi
Pink.
jadi green.
Green.
Ya. Dan kalau orange and yellow, jadi red sama yellow jadi apa? Red and yellow jadi apa?
I don't know.
It's orange.
Orange.
Now, what color do you want to mix?
Green.
You want to make green?
Yeah.
Kalau green itu apa warnanya? Yellow and
Yellow and
apa? And blue.
blue.
Let's try and make green.
Yeah.
Okay, so look, we have the slime here.
Yeah.
We're going to put the slime inside the basket first. We're going to put this away first. Wait, no, not that slime. This one. This one. We're going to make the color green. Now, since we don't have the color green, we can use two of these three colors, which is blue and yellow. Blue and yellow makes the color green, if you don't know. So we're going to make the color green.
Tapi kalau misalnya dia gelap,
Open up the ziplock.
kan ini kemarin tadi error soalnya.
No.
Soalnya kalau nggak merah berarti dia nggak merekam gitu loh.
Whoa, walked in there. Plop, plop. I'm gonna use my hand. It's super sticky. It's just sticks in the bag. Extra support. Okay. Wait, come here. Come here. Okay, we still have a little more. Now, remember how we use it? We need to open up this. Open up the door.
Blue and pink. They mix it with the color. What? Apa?
You put too much blue. No, it's okay. Now, this is how we make it. So, first we're going to put the clear slime inside. We're gonna put the clear slime inside the washing machine. Then we close it. Turn on. Look, it's spinning. Now when you're done, we're going to put on 2 colors because it is blue and yellow. Why blue and yellow? Because blue and yellow makes the color green. You know that? Yeah. You put the blue, I put the blue. Not too much, okay? Not too much. Just press 1 time. 1 time, not too much. 1, 2, 3, 1 time. Close it back. No, enough. It's gonna be hard to clean. It's gonna be too dark. See, the blue is too much. The yellow lost. Let me put more yellow. No! It's going to a little disaster.
The blue mix again. The blue.
It's not turning green. I don't know why. Put more yellow. Oh. Okay, I think it's enough. I'm gonna open it. So, teman-teman.
Friends. Wow.
Now, the yellow didn't really put too much, so I'm going to grab the extra yellow. Or maybe we can actually just add it right over here. I didn't put too much blue. I told you to put a little bit. Hey, come on.
Oh.
2 drops of yellow in there. And then we're going to mix it with our hand inside here. Whee! The blue is too dark. I'm not a big fan of dark colors, so yeah.
Where?
It's okay. Ta-da! What color is this?
It's a green.
It's green! Yeah, so now you learn that
It's for boys.
it's for everybody.
It's for boy. Girl is pink.
Yeah.
Girl
Now
is
I want to
pink.
try one more experiment. I'm really curious of turning blue and pink. What color will it be? Let's
Pakai
see.
yang blue aja deh soalnya. Yang agak lengket aja deh.
Yeah.
Soalnya yang blue agak lengket.
I'm gonna try to not put too much coloring in there. Oh, it's nanti nempel.
Nggak nempel.
Okay.
Tuh. Wow.
With my
Wow.
hand. Okay, finish. And then, remember, the steps are put the slime in the washing machine, which is really sticky, so just mix it up and then close it, turn on. And also while waiting the slime, I'm gonna tell you that these containers, you don't throw it away because it can be the containers for the slime in here. Because slime can dry out if you don't put it in close. Okay, yeah, now we're gonna put the blue and the yeah. But this time don't put too much, please. Okay, so first so green, so I'm going to wipe it out. Okay. First, I'm going to clean the washing machine, so there's still the green color in there, but hopefully it turns out still really good. Because I really love the color purple. Okay, let's turn it off. Take out the slime and ew! What is this color? I mean, it's actually really cool, I guess, but it turns black. No.
It's like a black friend.
No, it's black, guys.
It's like a black bird.
No. You know what? We're gonna try to fix it. I'm gonna try to fix it
Friends,
as I can.
it's like an eater with you die.
I'm gonna put a lot of that and a lot of blue too. No, not too much. There you go. That and then mix them up together. There you go. I mean, it's kind of purple, but it's still black. I wish the purple could be much more lighter, but it's really dark. That I see.
Wow.
It's purple. Look,
Whoa.
look. I didn't look. It's purple.
Whoa.
Wow. Okay then, Ade. Should we close? Okay, friends. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I know this video is kind of different because I'm speaking English, but I really love speaking English. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and you understand. So, bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Ayo follow Instagram Pixel Kinaragendis.